Hey guys, it's Lindsay and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about pending on Snapchat and what it exactly means. Before we get started, please subscribe to this channel if you've been enjoying our videos and click that notification bell down below to be notified of when we post new videos. So, what does pending on Snapchat mean? Let's go right on into the app. Pending on Snapchat usually means that you're not friends with someone on Snap. It could indicate that they removed you as a friend, or that you're blocked, or that they just never accepted you as a friend. So let's go to chat down at the bottom of the page to the left. I'm going to click on someone that I just added, and I'm going to say hi. And as you can see that message, your chats are pending until We Are 5Sauce adds you as a friend. I'm pending because I'm not friends with them. That's exactly what it means. You can try to resend, you can try to unadd and re-add them again, but it most likely means that you are not currently friends with them. Don't fret, it doesn't mean that they blocked you. It could mean that they blocked you, but most likely they just haven't accepted your friend request yet. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye, guys.